Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican sweet potato salad, updated. Start by peeling and dicing sweet potatoes into bite-sized cubes and boiling until fork tender, then cool them completely. While they cook, chop veggies and whisk the dressing with mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Combine potatoes, veggies, and dressing gently, add chopped cilantro and optional Scotch bonnet for heat, then chill briefly before serving. Peel and dice the sweet potatoes into roughly 1-inch cubes and place them in salted boiling water. Cook until a fork slides through with slight resistance, then drain and spread on a tray to cool quickly. Meanwhile, chop onions, bell pepper, and cilantro, and whisk together mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Toss cooled potatoes with dressing and veggies gently to preserve texture. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy cooking and reading, pick up the new Kindle Paperwhite for easy recipe reading in the kitchen or on the go, with crisp display and long battery life. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips, and browse the description for the link and other deals I found. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For the best texture, fold the dressing into cooled potatoes rather than stirring vigorously, which keeps cubes intact. Taste as you go and add a splash more vinegar or a pinch of sugar to balance flavors, and finely chop Scotch bonnet for controlled heat. Let the salad rest chilled at least 30 minutes so flavors meld. Serve slightly cool or at room temperature for maximum flavor and texture contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.